On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Windows onto your PC. Now, this is something you might be having trouble with if you found my video, is getting your USB drive or your Windows USB drive to work on your PC to get Windows, started installing, because they more to it than just putting it in the USB drive and it just magically working. And that's what you're going to find out in this video. Now, I'm assuming you done downloaded your Windows or bought a product Windows key with the USB that you just drop in and start. But I ain't going to ramble on my videos. I try not to. I ain't going to, just keep talking. So let's just jump into it, and if you find it helpful, drop a like and leave a comment. It's helpful for me and for you. Don't mind the Xbox X to the side, guys. This is a video on how to install Windows, not the Xbox Series X. So you want to find a USB, and this case has got plenty. Put it in there. If you ain't got none in the front, then you can come to the back side of your PC case, and you probably have plenty of USB spots here. Just pick one, and you should be good to go. Next, you want to hit the power button on your PC, and as the PC is posting, just hit delete and keep tapping it, just like so, and that will pull up your BIOS, and that's where you need to go. So once you're into your BIOS, just go over to boot on your menu. So depending on the motherboard you got, will depend on your BIOS layout. And you can see we got boot drives. Now we just disable all this because we have no other reason for boot options. Now you can run scan this and it should automatically just load into it. But what's supported, you can run this petition 1 here. Let's exit, save. Boom. Hit next. Once you're in there, go ahead. You can repair your computer if it came down to it, but let's just go ahead and install a fresh Windows as you would be doing on a new PC that you just built. This will be your product key. You will enter it. If you got one, it will come with your Windows key in an email, or it will come on a package. We don't have one at the moment, but we will be getting one. So you just click I don't have a product key and you can get it later. Now this is where you can pick your additional Windows. You got home and home in. The in means that basically you don't have no media and stuff pre-installed on it. I'd like to go with the Windows 10 Pro. That's me personally. But the home edition is perfectly fine for, gaming and stuff like that. But I always go with the Pro. So let's go and hit next. And this is license user agreement. You know what you got to do, though. Upgrade, install Windows, and keep files and settings. We are not upgrading. We're doing a custom install. Okay, this is a partitions. And that's because we done got Windows on this system. So, let's go ahead and format and delete and clean everything up. On a fresh install, it will show your hard drives. Now, if you got many hard drives and you know the one you want to do, just unplug the other ones. If not, the 230 and the 2.9 gigabyte is the one that's the Evo M.2. That's the one we're going to be using. The 465 gigabyte is I'm going to use for storage for now. So we want a Windows onto this. So hit next. It will to ensure all Windows features work correctly. Windows might create additional partitions for system files. Thank you, Windows. And now it will say this. Just give it time. It may restart once or twice, and then I'll show you the next step. So everything's restarted now. We are getting ready for Windows, and then it should ask us if we want Cortana and all that good stuff. So now that the PC was getting everything ready, you see it just restarted again, and then we should come up into another Windows menu. Just a moment, that's a good sign. Hopefully if you're watching this video, you make it this far too without any trouble or issues. and then you just fill out everything it asks you. Once you're into Windows, go ahead and remove your USB drive and restart the computer, because now you're going to go and change your boot device on Windows from the scan disk back to whatever we put it on, the 250 gig M.2. Hit delete to get back in. And you want to change this to Windows Boot Manager, and then you go out of it and save it. So this motherboard already had it done for us, but if it didn't on yours, you just go ahead and save it, and then you should automatically boot back into Windows. We are back into Windows. Now you want to pretty well update it. Make sure everything's updated. Check for updates. This is kind of an older install USB, so I know I'm going to be behind on some updates. Yeah, that PC is kind of loud, especially one of them Corsair fans. I guess they fluid balance and they upside down, and one's making a little bit of noise. It's dusty and also could be dust. We'll check that out in another video. But this is updating now. It's going to be a while, as anybody knows with any Windows updates. If you got a newer USB though, it shouldn't be as bad. They usually, update that USB quite a bit at install tool. So hopefully not. So if you found this chaotic video helpful, try to do the best I can. I'm getting better equipment and be able to bring you more quality videos very soon. But if you found it helpful, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone. And think about subscribing to my channel. Check back daily for almost new content. I'm Tats, and I make videos. That's basically what I do. What kind of videos? All different kinds. Just check my channel out. Thanks for watching.